On today's menu, an easy recipe that's the king of all salad dressings. Vegan Caesar dressing.
Lei Ho Ma, I'm Yeung. Welcome to my channel where I help you cook with confidence. Today, let's make one of my favorite salad dressings of all time, the mighty Caesar dressing.
Blender. 1.5 cups cashews. 3 pieces garlic. 1 tablespoon Dijon mustard. 1 teaspoon pink salt. 3 tablespoons lemon juice. Drizzle of olive oil. Fresh cracked pepper. 1 cup water.
Alright, this seems weird, but the final ingredient is the humble pickle, and this is what's going to give it that really nice sort of anchovy-ish, salty, tangy sort of flavor. Just need a couple inches worth of a pickle.
Blend on high until emulsified. If you don't have a high-powered blender, you can soak the cashews overnight. The dressing will thicken further in the fridge and you can enjoy for up to 3 weeks. Lettuce. A couple tablespoons dressing. Toss. You can add whatever you like to your salad. Some of my favorites are garlic croutons or roasted chickpeas. You can now make this show-stopping dressing with absolute confidence.
In just a few minutes, you can make this incredible recipe and is what I think is the king of all salad dressings. That is just amazing. That is so unbelievably delicious. Tastes just like Caesar dressing, and it's creamy, it's salty, it's garlicky from that fresh garlic, it's bright from that fresh lemon juice, and it has that bit of a tanginess from that pickle. It is absolutely, absolutely amazing. Cashews really do wonders, and this is a recipe you absolutely have to make. And if you're new to my channel, welcome, I'm glad you're here. Be sure to get your free ebook that I've put together just for you that has 5 super easy, unintimidating, plant-based recipes to help you get started cooking today. And of course, being the photographer, there is a picture for every single recipe. You can download that ebook in the link in the description box below. As always, remember to subscribe, hit that notification bell so you won't miss a single episode.